5 Best Vacuum and Mop for Hardwood Floors Reviews.
Number 1. Bissell Crosswave All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum. If you want something to clean your floor in one swipe, check out the Bissell Crosswave All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum and Mop from Bissell. They are good to go with hardwood, sealed or pressed wood floor, tiled floor, rugs, floor mats, and almost anything. With a 4.4 ampere power rating and a 3000 RPM double rotating brush, the mop will not leave single dirt in your floor. The dual-action brush is made of nylon, which picks the debris, mops, and the power suction dries the floor immediately. And you don't have to worry about all those germs you can't see. The mop comes with 2 tanks to hold the formula and dirty water separately. Fill one tank with the cleaning solution and empty the dirty water tank after mopping. And rest assured, they don't mix while working.
Number 2. Tineco iFloor Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Mop. This powerful and quiet wet-dry vacuum from Tineco is a complete cleaner. It includes quite a few essentials with it. You are getting a 3-in-1 cleaning tool and a charging adapter as it is cordless. But the best is the self-cleaning storage tray, and trust us when we say you need it. There is no need to think twice while going over a wet mess, as this vacuum stream cleaner does vacuum and wash at the same time. The cleaner works well on any and every surface, from sealed hardwood floors, tiles, vinyl to laminate and linoleum floors. It helps to keep the floors scratch-free and shiny. It has 2 tanks. So, the formula mixed clean water and dirty water are 2 separate entities. You can spray as much formula as you want that too whenever you need it. You have the easy-to-press spray trigger for that. Number 3. Roborock S5 Robotic Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Who doesn't want to have the handiest and easy to use the thing in the minimum price? Roborock S5 Robotic Vacuum Stream Cleaner is such a type of thing. The most amazing thing is it does not need your support to work. This robotics cleaner and mopping device defines dust by an integrated laser mapping system. This used to detect dust of your surface, and it works on its own. People who don't have time to operate regular cleaner to clean their living place, they should take this. You just need to turn it on at your place and forget about this. It will clean all the way on its own. No cord issue here. It has a 5200 mAh battery life, which can give more than 150 minutes long last service. It has a couple of pairs of water tank filters. Besides this, you will have a strong 2000 Pascal suction force. There is an app in PlayStation that you can use to control this device.
Number 4. Bissell 2747A PowerFresh All-in-One Vacuum and Steam Mop. We all love such cleaning tools that come in handy while doing most of the heavy-duty jobs. The Bissell 2747A PowerFresh is one such device that performs versatile cleaning with a one-switch control to go from one mode to another. The device can perform on multiple floor types, hardwood, ceramic or marble tiles, and linoleum. And it not only swipes and mops the floor but also steam cleans to eliminate 99.9% germs. Operating in 3 cleaning modes, vacuum, steam and combine, it effectively cleans the whole house in the least time. Using scent waters in steam mops gives your home a fresh, soothing scent. Moreover, the device comes with 2 types of mop pads, microfiber scrubby pad and soft microfiber pad to match all cleaning needs. Both the pads are washable. It also has a detachable mop tray that makes changing the pads very easy. Number 5. Shark VM252 Pro Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum Mop. What's better than a cleaning machine that doesn't require cleaning? Yes, we are talking about the Shark VM252 Vacuum Mop Pro, which won't make your hands dirty. Whether you have a lot of dry debris lying around or a sticky floor from rain-soaked boots, the Shark VacMop can clean it all. It uses powerful vacuum suction to collect all dry dirt. Once you finish vacuuming, you can easily switch to spray mopping. Sprays cover a wider area, and you can use cleaning solutions for deep cleaning the whole area. Nothing is more irritating than finding debris or stains underlying your couch or corners just after you finished mopping. Well, with Shark VM252, that won't happen because it doesn't push the debris, and with the headlights on, surely you won't miss anything beneath the couches.